Okay guys, hi, this is Mariana Crawford and I'm calling. I wanted to do a really quick video showing my husband's Birchbox. This is the men's Birchbox and I've been really loving the stuff that he's been getting, and I wanted to go over some of the things that he has received. This is the card that I received. This is one of the cards. This is one of the boxes. Billy Jealousy Saki Balm Body Moisturizer. Let's see. I don't have it here. At $36. English Laundry Notting Hill. Oh my god, that perfume is to die for. It's seriously an orgasm in a little tiny bottle. This stuff is freaking awesome. This Notting Hill thing, I smelled it and I about almost like had a fit. So that is a serious, like, hell yes, I want that in my life. I want my husband to smell like that all the time. It's $85. I put it in a wish list so that I can get it for him at a later date. Natural shampoo. Which one? Natural, where is it? Natural shampoo, Hanz de Fuko. He didn't use this yet, but sulfate paraben free, which is pretty cool, which is great. Him shampoo, he said he liked. Wilma skincare hydrating collagen eye pads. I put this on him last night and he did not enjoy those that much. He said that it felt weird, so I could understand that. But it's only a $10 box and it comes with really cool stuff. This is some of the things that he received as well. I just dropped it. This is the shaving cream. He said he didn't like the shaving cream. He has other shaving creams that are better than that one, so he didn't really like that one. He did like, well, actually he doesn't like moisturizer, which is weird, but he doesn't like moisturizer. He did love this. This is the shampoo conditioner body wash. It smells like a cigar. I don't know, it has like a cigar type of smell and he kind of digs it. Him shampoo, he said he liked. He says anything Kiehl's he loves, so this was really nice. Facial Fuel Energizing Face Wash. This is an anti-aging cream. He hates this. He doesn't like anything like for moisturizing the skin. I don't know why. It's weird, but that's just the way he is. This one right here, your personalized samples. This is another one. DTRT. These are face to day cooling cleansing wipe. He has not used those at all. Smooth Start shaving cream. He didn't like the shaving cream. Kiehl's, the Fuel, I already showed that. The Marvis Classic Strong Mint, that is a toothpaste, and I actually bought 2 of them from Sephora because I really like that it leaves your breath smelling fresh for a really long time. I think it was awesome, and I bought 2 from this one. I bought 2 of the Marvis Classic Strong Mint for toothpaste. Or Alps cleansing wipes. He has not used that. These wipes are formulated with Arctic Blue ice crystal to help exfoliate.
I'm looking forward to trying them.
He says he's looking forward to trying them. He's actually listening to me right now. This one is B76 texture paste. Oh, he really liked the texture paste. He has a texture paste that I don't have here. Do I have it here? No, I don't have it here, but he did use it and he really liked it. The Harry Post Shave Balm packet.
It was pretty good.
He said it was pretty good. So this stuff is like $10, and I 100% think that if you have a husband or brother or father, someone that you think would enjoy getting these products, I think you should totally subscribe them to the box. It's really cool to get these little boxes in the mail, and it's fun. So, oh, one thing before I go, the first box that he ever got, he received a, what do you call it? He received a exfoliating bar soap that I thought, from Kiehl's, that I thought was amazing, and I'm definitely,
Kiehl's.
It wasn't Kiehl's?
We don't know who it was.
Oh man, now I have to look it up. but I'll look it up and put it in the description box below. I think it's really, really good. I like it myself for exfoliating the skin and using just a bar soap to exfoliate my skin, so and I highly recommend that one. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below if you have any thoughts or suggestions, or if you have this box. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.